In today's class, we were joined by two incredible students from George Brown College's Culinary Nutrition program, and they made some delicious recipes to ring in the spring. Starting off with an asparagus and leek soup, and then a spring pizza with a fresh made ricotta. To finish it off, some matcha cashew energy bites. You can find all the recipes down below, and for even more recipes, tips, techniques, and our upcoming calendar of events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join us for our next class on Thursday, May 17th at 12:15 Eastern Time. We'll be streaming live to ELLICSRkitchen.ca. We're going to be joined by the amazing people from the Melanoma Network of Canada. Don't miss it.